Hello everyone, welcome to the project Gem-innovator. Build innovative generative AI apps using Gemini. Here, let's see how to build this generative AI app. First of all, we look into the Google VM. Here we are running a lightweight server which is actually serving the request for the end user UI, which we call the innovative apps, and the requests from the apps is being sent to the Gemini backend. This is the server which is running over here in the Google Cloud, and in the administration module of this lightweight server we will see that how actually we are setting up the Gemini connections. So we go to the administration module. Here we go to the connection, and here we specify the Gemini connection, the token, and the corresponding URL. Now once this Gemini connection is all set, then we go to this JavaScript based front end which we have built from scratch, and in this particular front end we can actually select a specific app over here. Now in this user defined app, here user need to select the Gemini connection that has been configured in the administration module. Then the user can actually drag and drop a specific type of UI field in a complete no code low code fashion, and where user can upload the content, and the corresponding search options can be specified, the prompt, and then the response will be specified over here. And using the Gemini API, we have actually divided the generative AI apps into multiple category. One is content generation and enrichment, another content synthesis and analysis, another is database reporting. Now if we look at the front end code, this is a pure JavaScript code, and it's using lots of different type of templates for routing the requests between different models, and we have also created the corresponding component. That is the front end part, where actually the request is routed from the app to the backend, and this is the backend code where we are actually calling this Gemini API based on the request received from the front end, and based on the configuration settings in the admin console, we are getting the URL, password, etc. That is the token, and sending it to the Gemini endpoint, and then the response is being actually served back into this app. Now in a Gemini project, user can again define the different data set in a completely no code low code fashion, and here user can actually perform extensive no code low code application development. Like say for example, I have a I'm actually performing some product review embeddings, or I'm performing enhanced sentiment scoring. So here I can connect to different incoming data set. I can prepare my data using various types of no code low code drag and drop code here. Like say for example, if I double click on this Hugging Face sentiment analysis, I can pull in this over here, and then I can send the result back to the Gemini. And this is again another example where I can upload a particular image, and then I can do OCR and get the response back over here. So this is how overall, like no code low code visual interface as well as no code low code workflows has been leveraged for performing the generative AI workflows and the generative AI application development. One thing to be noted, the entire data ingestion, data preparation, as well as can be actually pushed to the serverless data proc, as we see here within the same app that we see here by using different stages. And also the generative AI application can be developed accordingly in that specific application, which we have just shown a minute back. Thank you.